Here are some of the best haircuts for fine hair in 2026. Now, this is going to go for men's hair and women's hair, and I have a couple of examples. So with finer hair, especially on men, there are a lot of opportunities to make your hair appear thicker. And that literally comes down to one, the haircut that you have, and then two, what products are you using. If you have finer hair, stay away from oil-based products or hair gels or pomades, anything that makes your hair look wet. Instead, you want the opposite, and I would strongly suggest hair products like I've got Tidal Wave here, which is a sea salt spray, #1 best-selling sea salt spray that adds volume to the hair because of the sea salt. And then my favorite hair powder, which is my new favorite hair powder, it's called Beach House. And Beach House, it's got sea salt in it, so it's a sea salt hair powder, and it actually is designed to make the hair bind together to be thicker. And you use this on fully dry hair. What happens is when you sprinkle some in through here, the root area specifically, and maybe a little towards the ends, not a whole lot, a couple of dabs, when you work it through, it actually creates a fuller, thicker appearance to the hair. Those are the products you want. When it comes to the hair length itself, the longer the hair is, the higher the chance of it falling flat. So what you need to do is make sure that you have just enough hair length to where you're able to get some style like this, and it's not too long to where it just falls flat, and it's not too short to where you can't really get any sort of volume and texture in through here. So this is a good hairstyle. You can leave some length throughout the top here. You can get it tapered down, kind of like what I've done in through here. You just have to be careful that if you are trying to camouflage thinner areas of your head, or if it's very, very fine, getting a skin fade may actually make this look even thinner. So you have to make sure that you're creating some sort of balance so that, whether it's a little bit longer and fuller in here from the hair powder, then it's balanced and shorter. Okay, fine. But if it's like a skin fade all the way up to here and you're trying to hang on for dear life up here, or it just doesn't balance right, it's very stringy, then that could be an issue. Also, the haircut itself. I do virtual consultations with people from all over the world, and one of the biggest challenges I see in complaints is that barbers aren't scissor cutting the right way, or hairstylists, and these professionals are actually butchering the hair and creating a real-time crime scene on the head by not layering it properly, which makes the hair look very fine and wispy in the front. And let me know if you've ever noticed that. Like, your hair may be a lot thicker in some areas, but in the very front, it's just so wispy. Feels like there's holes and gaps. It's because it's not being layered properly. So a lot of times, you can actually thicken up that haircut by just combing it all straight down. It'll probably come to a point like this, and you might be able to snip some of those dead ends or those thinner ends off to try to rebuild some of that shape, or hold it straight up and cut straight across in the very, very front, because chances are the front piece is a lot longer and thinner than the rest. Just trim that thinner area up, it's going to thicken up the hairstyle itself. So that's one aspect to look at. Now, when it comes to women's hair, obviously a shorter pixie haircut is always going to be something that's going to make the hair appear thicker, and it's great for fine hair. And depending on the style that you want is really up to you. Sometimes going a bit shorter, like I mentioned, it will actually give the hair the opportunity to appear thicker and fuller. Specifically when using, and I would use the same thing, I'd use Beach House, the sea salt hair powder, for something like this. Just dab it on a little bit. I already have some in here, so it's already going to be easy for me. And then you can make the hair as pliable as you want. Sometimes creating a fuller type of more rounded shape in through here is going to help the overall appearance of making it look thicker for finer hair, because you can get that fullness from the powder. If it's cut too short, it may just look too short, right? And it just, you don't have enough hair to create fullness. So leaving some length in throughout here is a good way to make sure that you're able to get some of that lift and that volume, and then you can always just kind of play around or work the front end however you want. And then lastly, here is another haircut to where fine hair always works best when the hair is layered, but layered in the right way. Meaning, so if you have a layered haircut shape and it's cut very square, very boxy or triangular, it's going to be hard for your hair to get any sort of lift. And you can see when I lift my hands, look at all the fullness, but also watch the silhouette of how the hair is falling. So if you could see when I go like this, look what's happening. You get all that hair is just coming out from the head. It's almost just following my fingers. That's because I'm cutting the hair in a more full shape out from the head. Hair grows out from the head. And you can even see from the side profile, look at all this volume into here. It's because of the way the hair is layered. So having a haircut like this, a shorter kind of layered haircut, works really great with fine hair. This is where Tidal Wave will come in. You can use the Beach House Sea Salt powder, again, a little bit throughout the root here to get some fullness, but make sure you're getting the proper haircut from a hair professional. And I know a lot of you watching, you all say to me, oh, I can't find somebody salon guy. No one can cut a hair. They're out there. Trust me, there's talented professionals out there. It's just a matter of you finding the right one in order to be able to execute these types of haircuts. Let me know if you have any of these haircuts. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to check out my range of hair products. My volume shampoo and conditioner is phenomenal. And the one thing about the conditioner people love is that it doesn't weigh your hair down like other conditioners. It actually builds volume. Then Beach House and Tidal Wave are phenomenal products, again, for building that volume in the hair, as well as my round brushes. And I have a whole range of things I invite you to explore on my website. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.